Hello everyone, I am Tony Correa and today I'm going to be talking about Envato. So what is Envato? Envato Market is a collection of niche marketplaces where others can sell their items directly to customers. Others upload their work, users can buy and license the item, and others earn. You can join and start uploading items now by signing up here. So don't forget that I'm going to be dropping my link down below for you guys to sign up for free and start creating. Yes, so here we have the Envato elements. As you can see, you can find stock videos, stock footage, video templates, music, sound effects, graphic templates, graphics, presentation templates, photos, fonts, and many other features that you can use with the guys from Envato. Yes. Yeah, as you can see here, presentation templates, photos for your videos, and everything you need to start creating. Yes, unlimited downloads, 12 plus million assets, simple licensing, you can cancel anytime. Yes, plans and pricing for individuals, you can get it from $16.50 per month. For students also, you can have a description here. All the benefits of an Envato element subscription at 30% off for students. Yes, for teams, for enterprise as well. Yes, join over 500,000 people worldwide. Yes, these are opinions of people. Your site saves me hundreds of hours of work, and the inspiration through the newsletters is priceless. Yes, Maria Haynes, graphic designer. Another opinion, I've been using Envato elements for quite some time. Anytime I need digital media content, there is always something in store for me. Yes, Titus Guittari. Yes, and finally, Federica McCulley. I've used Envato elements for years and simply couldn't do my job without it. The dashboard is easy to navigate, the assets are beautiful, bright and innovative, and the content never stops evolving. Yes, as you can see, Envato is great for content designers and everyone, or all the people who want to create content through the internet. Yes, I'm gonna be dropping my link down below, guys, for you to subscribe, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up for my video. Bye bye, see you next time.